Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start part 4 of chapter number 11 in the orchard. In part 1 we have learned about type of plant and parts of plant. In part 2 we learned about where the flowers grow, and in part 3 we learned about what is the difference between bird and flower. Now let's start part 4 of chapter number 11. In previous part we learned what is the difference between a bird and a flower. Bird is a closed structure while a flower is a open structure. And now let's do one activity given on page number 83. चूज अ वर्ड दैट इज ग्रोइंग ऑन अ प्लांट. आपको एक कली चूज करी जो एक प्लांट पर खिली हुई है एंड लुक एट इट एवरीडे, और उसको हर रोज देखना है. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द प्लांट. आपको पहले उसका नाम लिखना है. आई एम चूजिंग द बर्ड ऑफ रोज, सो आई हैव रिटन हियर रोज. व्हेन डिड यू फर्स्ट सी दिस बर्ड? द डेट वाज. आपने फर्स्ट डे वो कली जब देखी तब कौन सी डेट थी? सो व्हेन आई सॉ दिस बर्ड देन द डेट वाज 20 September 2021. And next one, when the bird has bloomed into a flower, means वो कली फ्लावर में कन्वर्ट हुई है, फूल कली में से वो फूल बना, तब कौन सी डेट थी? सो द डेट इज 25 September 2021. तो यानी कितने डेज थे इसने? 5 days. How many days did the bird take to become a flower? उस यानी कली ने फ्लावर बनने में कितने टाइम लिया? So that is 5 days. यानी 5 दिन. उस कली को फूल बनने में 5 दिन लगे. Now next one topic is use of flower. Next one, here you have to write the use of flowers. The object the table. Here you have to write the use of the flowers. Why we are using flowers? So as a food we are using gulkan. Gulkan means the petals of rose flower is used to make gulkan. And as a vegetable we are using banana flowers. The next one, as a medicine we are using rose water. For skin it is very good, and for skin disease we are using gulmohar, flowers of gulmohar. Next one, to make color we are using Vitia monosperma, means Kesudo and Palas and rose, then gulmohar also. Then next one, in songs we are using, we can sing the word flowers we are using in many songs like flowers everywhere, in my garden, in my hair. And in many Hindi songs we can listen the word of flowers. So here I am writing in many Hindi songs. काफी हिंदी सॉन्ग्स है जिसमें फूल शब्द का यूज किया जाता है. So we are using flowers word in many Hindi songs also. Then next one, for decoration we are using rose, and other examples of flowers which we are using in decoration means घर सजाने के हम यूज करते हैं. So that is मोगरा, marigold, then orchid also. Orchid flowers also we are using to decorate our house. Okay. Next one, puja. For worshipping we are using which flower? So here I am adding rose, then lotus, marigold, currant, many more flowers we are using to worship. Then for perfume we all like the smell of rose and jasmine. So for making the scent, people are using rose and jasmine flower. Do you know who is selling flowers? Yes, the person who is selling flowers is known as florist. If any florist is there nearby in your area, so you have to ask some questions and write answers. So first question, what are the flowers that they sell? वो कौन से flowers sell करते हैं, means बेचते हैं. So we can see they are selling rose flower. They sell rose flower, lotus, marigold, currant, hibiscus and many more flowers they are selling. From where do they bring these flowers? वो ये flowers कहाँ से लाते हैं? They bring these flowers from various gardens and from flower market. वो ये flowers कहाँ से लाते हैं? So they are bringing these flowers from various garden, यानी कि वो अलग अलग बगीचों से flowers तोड़कर लाते हैं और from flower market, और flower market यानी फूलों के बाजार से भी ये फूल लेकर आते हैं. Next one question, why do people buy flowers? So people buy flowers for religious, ceremonies, for decoration, various decoration, for different type of adornment and for making garden and bouquet. लोग फ्लावर्स क्यों खरीदते हैं? वो फ्लावर्स खरीदते हैं धार्मिक अवसरों के लिए. रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज मीन्स धार्मिक अवसर, जैसे अपने घर में पूजा होती है या और कोई सेरेमनीज है, हवन है, तो भी आप क्या लेते हैं? फ्लावर्स. या कोई फेस्टिवल है तो भी हम फ्लावर्स लेते हैं. एंड फॉर वेरियस डेकोरेशन, घर को सजाने के लिए और भी काफ़ी डेकोरेशन के लिए हम फ्लावर्स यूज़ करते हैं. एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एडornment, और साज श्रृंगार के लिए भी लोग क्या करते हैं? फ्लावर्स यूज़ करते हैं. एंड फॉर मेकिंग गार्लैंड्स, और फूलों के हार बनाने के लिए. एंड बुके मीन्स गुलदस्ते बनाने के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? फ्लावर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, in what forms do florists sell their flowers? Look at these pictures and mark against those forms of flowers that you have seen. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं और उनमें फ्लोरिस्ट कौन कौन सी फॉर्म में, मीन्स दे आर सेलिंग flowers to make garland, for decoration and as a bouquet, as a name, extra. So you have to write tick against those forms of flowers that you have seen. आपको इनमें से फ्लोरिस्ट किस तरह के फ्लावर सेल करते हैं वहाँ टिक करना है. Some flowers are used in different forms like rose and marigold are used in garlands and loose petals too. So find out the prices of different forms of flowers. Like one flower, what is the cost of one flower? So you can find the price of one flower is starting from 2 rupees up to 15 rupees, और 2 रुपये से लेकर 15 रुपये तक के भी फ्लावर्स मार्केट में अवेलेबल होते हैं. एंड फॉर Garlands. For one garland, what is the price of one garland? It is starting from 20 rupees to 100 rupees. And price of one bouquet, it is starting from 100 rupees to 500 rupees. So in this way, there are different prices in the market. Has the florist learned to make bouquet or net of flower from anybody? Yes, florist has learned to make bouquet or flower net from his elders. Now next one question. Would they like the other member of their family will do this work? So why? Yes, there is a lot of profit in this work. So they would like the other member of their family will also do this work. I hope you understood part 4 of this chapter. Remaining part I will send in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.